In the heart of Frosty Mountain lived a brave cat named Mumu. With her snow-white fur, she was fearless, exploring every icy cliff and valley, admired by all for her courage. One chilly morning, a loud rumble startled the mountain creatures. Unlike others, Mumu, the fearless feline, climbed towards the noise, determined to protect her mountain friends. At the peak, Mumu found a giant snowball rolling down. With swift courage, she guided it away from the village, averting a disaster with her quick thinking. Mumu was hailed as a hero, her bravery echoing through Frosty Mountain. Her tale of courage inspired all, teaching that bravery can overcome any obstacle.